So hello guys, my name is Thomas. Today we discuss in this video what is entrepreneurship in 21st century and its relation between small business and entrepreneurship. In the 2000s, entrepreneurship was extended from its original in-profit business to include social entrepreneurships in which business goals are sought alongside social, environmental, or humanitarian goals, and even the concept of the politic entrepreneurship within an existing firm or large organization has been referred to as entrepreneurships and may include corporate ventures when large entities spin off subsidiary organizations. Entrepreneurs are leaders willing to take risks and exercise innovative, taking advantage of market opportunities by planning, organizing, and deploying resources, often by innovating to create new or improving existing products or services. In the 2000s, the term entrepreneurship has been extended to include a specific mindset resulting in entrepreneurial initiatives in the form of social entrepreneurship, political entrepreneurship, or knowledge entrepreneurship. According to Paul Reynolds, founder of the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, by the time they reach their retirement years, half of all working men in the United States probably have a period of self-employment of 1 or more years. 1 in 4 may have engaged in self-employment or for 6 or more years. Participating in new business creation is common activity among US workers over the course of their careers. In recent years, entrepreneurship has been claimed as a major driver of economic growth in the United States and Western Europe. Entrepreneurial activities differ substantially depending on the type of organization and creativity involved. Entrepreneurship range in scale from solo part-time project to large-scale undertaking that involve a team and which may create many jobs. Many high-value entrepreneurial ventures seek venture capital or angel funding to raise capital for building and expanding the business relation. The term entrepreneur is often conflated with the term small business or used interchangeably with this term. While most entrepreneurial ventures start out as a small business, not all small businesses are entrepreneurial in the strict sense of the term. Many small businesses are sole proprietor operations consisting solely of the owner or they have a small number of employees, and many of the small business offer an existing product process or services and they do not aim at growth. In contrast, entrepreneurial ventures offer an innovative product, process, or services, and the entrepreneur typically aims to scale up the company by adding employees, seeking international